Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I start working on the Nissan, please help me subscribe to the channel and click that bell notification so every time I have new videos you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2018 Nissan Titan with the 5.6 liter, and I'm doing the oil change service on this. So the drain bolt is a 14 millimeter. Ooh, there you go, super dirty. And then the filter will be in the front. You would take out these two bolts from the cover, and then the filter will be right here. Everything's completely drained out. I'm gonna tighten it down so this is tight. Snug it a little bit. I already loosened it. I'll let it drain out. A new filter. I put a little bit of oil on the gasket so it sits better. And then tighten it down. Just hand tight, not too crazy. There you go. And just wipe the cover right here and the area. So for the Nissan, it doesn't say anything for the oil viscosity on the cap, but if you look up here, it was said 0.20 oil viscosity right there. And this one I'm putting in 0.20 full synthetic, and it takes 7.5. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I put in 7.5 quarts. The oil is up here, slightly over the high mark, which is perfect. It's so clear that it looks like I didn't even put anything in there. So this is perfect. So now I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life. So right now I'm gonna have key on, and I'm gonna toggle through the menu with these two buttons right here. So I'm gonna go over to setting, keep going over. There you go to setting, and then you're gonna go down to maintenance, oil and oil filter. Nobody set it yet, so I'm gonna set it to 5,000. Put in synthetic, so it's 5,000 or 4750. Give them a heads up, and that's fine too. And then that's it. If you want to reset it, you just want press reset, and then it'll go back to normal. Then go back. You can set your air filter, tire, brake pads, brake fluid, whatever. That's it. I'm gonna turn off the car, turn it back on, and that's it guys. So that is it for this video. Just an oil change service and an oil reset. If you guys new to the channel, please help me subscribe. If you have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.